Hey yo, what's going on guys? Good morning, it's Alex with Finite to Freedom, and today we're going to discuss about, well, in this video we are going to discuss about XRP, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Most of the times I'm presenting like the crypto coins in the end of my list, but today we're going to do it a little bit different and we're bringing it as a fourth video. So let's jump straight away into our main screen, which is here, and as you can see, this is our chart. There we go. So we saw XRP yesterday, Wednesday, having a really green day. Now it did go up to $2.80, and then the highest it reached, it was the $2.90. And right now we saw that we had a Tuesday for overall the market and the crypto market. It was a really big red day, but Wednesday we saw a bounce back, and from what we can see, we hit the support level at $2.86. Let me do that. There we go. That's much better. So we saw it hitting the support level at $2.86. I haven't got it right there. I need to add it. Just bear with me, guys. 1 second. $2.86. There we go. So much better, right? We need all this so we can be okay. Right, so that was a retest, I believe, of the support level. We did break a little bit further down, but we didn't stay. And then Wednesday we went further below that resistance, that support level, but we didn't stay. We bounced back up, hitting at the time it became a resistance, but now it's back as a support level. But we did hit the resistance of $2.94, and we went up to $2.99, $3, let's say, because I think somewhere I saw it as a $3, but never mind, we're not going to discuss as a $3, we are going to be precise, $2.99. But today we have actually gone below that resistance here, which was our support level, right? Because yesterday we went up, but today it becomes now as a resistance. You can see it right now, guys. I changed it back again. So we broke this support level at the time. Now it becomes resistance, and we're still down at $2.90. I have said that I'm anticipating the $2.73, and we can bounce back up after that, right? XRP had already, from the all-time high, it had already its 25.57% down, right? And now we are remaining above it. And do I believe we are going to retest it, going back down? I think yes, there is a really big possibility to retest the $2.73 and then bounce back up as a 1, 2, 3 retest. So I'm expecting the third retest to bounce back up. Having said that, am I expecting I've got a few resistances that I want to see it breaking. So if we do retest the 273 and bounce back up, I'm anticipating to break above up to the $3.21. If we do break above it, and even the $3.28, I don't have it either here. There we go, the $3.28. If we do break above these levels, guys, then I'm anticipating the 337 and then it will make me be more sure that yes, we are gonna go higher. Until then, we're just remaining with the support level and the resistance, and then we see it daily what is happening. I can't really predict the future or anything like that, so guys. But yeah, if we do break all these three resistances, the $3.16 and the $3.21 and the $3.28, then I will anticipate the 3.37 and then head back up, and it will shape a really nice kind of like W. Well, yeah, kind of like a nice, yeah, it will form a really nice W there as a pattern. Now Ethereum, let me do the Ethereum. Where is it? There we go. So Ethereum, we did retest the $4,110, right? We did break above it. We didn't stay. You can see it here. We broke below it. So apologies, guys. Below it. We broke below it twice, and this is here. So we managed to go to the lowest. It was $4,078. Then that was the close on Tuesday, and then Wednesday we had a green day, right? So we did cover most of the downtrend that it had, and we broke above the support level, and we broke even above the resistance at $4,322. But we didn't stay there. We broke below this resistance today, and we are currently at $4,274, and we could have another retest at $4,110. But if that happens, that's going to be a third retest, and then we can bounce back up. If we do break below it, then I'm anticipating the $3,518. I can't give you the timeline when or for how long, right? But if we don't stay below this resistance and we head back up, that can mean that we can continue expecting the $4,884 as our resistance. Having said that, let's jump to Bitcoin. You will see kind of like the same pattern. Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, right? So XRP, same situation kinda. I've said that I'm anticipating the $112,401, and it did happen. And I said it when it hit the resistance, but then it gave us a signal that it's about time to go down, because we broke above it, and we broke above it on Thursday, 14th of August, but then we kept going further down. So I'm like, there is a really high possibility to hit the support level, and we did, right? We were about to hit it on Tuesday, 19th of August, but we hit it on Wednesday, right? Even that is a green day, Wednesday, for overall the market, the crypto market, everything, we did test it, right? You can see it right here. And having said that, we tested and bounced back up to $114,567. But then today we are going possibly to retest it. If we do retest it, we can bounce back up and form a really nice W. Again, same situation with XRP and Ethereum. But having said that, if we do break below it, then I'm anticipating as our next support level the $106,393. Now, anything can happen, guys. These are the two possibilities, right? Almost two possibilities. So we are providing you, what if it does a retest where it's heading, and what if it breaks below it, what is going to happen? Now, we don't really want to mean that we're predicting the market. No, we are focusing on to trying to figure out from the signals of the market what is actually happening, or what it can actually happen. So that's why I'm saying, like, we could have another retest, a third retest, and bounce back up. Well, kind of a fifth retest actually, because we have like Friday 1st of August, Saturday 2nd of August, Sunday 3rd of August, Tuesday 5th of August, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we do have another retest, and that's why I said we can expect it bounce back up and try to hit the resistance and even break above it and hit the all-time highs, form all-time highs. Another one. If it does though break below it, then it gives us a signal that, you know what, I'm going to go a little bit further down. We can't know where exactly, at what price, or anything like that. We can't predict the market. So, having said that, please subscribe to help us make the community much bigger and have much bigger audience, so we can actually have more experiences coming aboard, sharing opinions and everything. Turn on the notifications, guys, so you can receive as a notification on your top right corner when we are going to be live or when our next video is uploaded. And if you guys want to help us as well with a like, as soon as we hit 100 likes per videos, then all our videos are going to be suggested to every single or not to every single person out there, to much bigger audience, and hopefully we can help each other. And that's why I'm saying help us grow as a community, so we can help each other. The more people are coming, the more experiences are going to be shared, and the more opinions are going to be shared, and we are going to have debates and healthy conversations. So having said that, I'm going to leave you with these guys. I need to get prepared for work, unfortunately, but thankfully as well. Unfortunately, because I really like what I'm doing. I really like spending so much time in here, making these videos, seeing the charts, learn more about it on the presentation and everything, because right now it's really simple, but I believe it has a value. And unfortunately, due to my work, I can't spend more time here. But thankfully that I have a job, it pays the bills, and it allows me to invest some of the money. And yeah, having said that, I will see you soon on our next video. Hopefully we are going to have something during the night, and until then, have a wonderful day, have fun, enjoy with the market, be mindful, always be careful where you invest, guys. Do not hear the noise, try to avoid it, have valid resources, have valuable information, and be the own judge of where you want to invest and why. And that depends on the fundamentals of the companies and everything, right? So don't hear the noise, because if someone is making you, it's not making you, if someone is presenting you like, oh, this is going to make you a millionaire, I get it. We all want the same thing. We all want our financial freedom, but be mindful, guys. If they don't put their own money there, why would you, right? So if there are so many other as well on YouTube that they are presenting you valid information, and that's good, right? Unfortunately, whatever I bring you, I can't invest on it because I have a really low capital, and I can't have like all these companies that I'm talking about. But I'm looking at them, because whenever I see an opportunity, I'm selling my previous one, getting the profit, and going to a new one, right? And this is how I'm working. And honestly, I've got Nvidia, AMD. I haven't invested yet on Apple. I have invested on quantum computing, D-Wave, BBAI. I am still currently in, but yeah, it's all about opportunities, right? You can't start with a low capital and invest in all these companies. You will start looking for opportunities. So having said that, have a wonderful day, guys. I will see you on our next video. If you have missed our last video, it will be over here. Click it and it will take you straight away there. And if you missed anything else, there is the playlist, and over here you will see our logo that you can give us a subscribe or read about our channel, what it is, what we do, and what it is about. So have a wonderful day. Until then, on our next video, take care, guys. I will see you soon. Bye bye.